It's James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer with the Seekret Family Farm LLC. Yo, we out here still doing it in this pig pen. It's hot, it's August, it's almost September, you know what I mean? But yo, it's still hot, it's sweating out here. But yo, check it out, this is what we doing. We got the 3 Barrow brothers, little small ones. We took our old pen that we used to use for a livestock trailer and we turned it into pigs to just clean up the ground. Cause look, we had them starting right here. It was all grassy, just like how the rest of this area right here is. And these pigs, we just moved them right here today, just a little while ago. And what we're gonna do is watch them eat up this grass, and we're gonna have them clean out this whole little section right here, as well as clean it up and eat the grass and do a pig. This is just like a little bit of what we got going on with these 3 Barrow brothers. We just using some leftover supplies that we had on our farm where we used to use the same contraption right here for our livestock trailer to take pigs to the processor. However, now we got the little brothers that we can use it for an area to keep them contained and move them around and eat the grass that's right here. And so, before you know it, this whole little section right here is what we got for them to eat next. And we're just gonna keep moving them around, and politely just clean up this ground. And it don't take that long, just like a little couple days, because so far we started this maybe last week, and as of now they are eating it up. Like, look at them, they love grass. How many of y'all have been around pigs, or if you haven't ever been around pigs, did you know that they eat grass? Leaving a message in comments like, did you ever know that pigs eat grass and that pigs love to eat grass? To me, it's just such a beautiful thing, just seeing the pigs eating the grass right here with the chickens. And this is just the future of our pork, is where our pork looks from. And these are the Barrow brothers. We castrated them, and they are ready for just processing for meat. So we're just gonna get them to the weight that they need to be and continue to let them thrive and be happy right here at the Seekret Family Farm LLC, located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. I'm James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer. Like and subscribe, leave any messages. Thank you for watching this video.